Let's varnish this painting. With my round sponge, I have moistened it with water using Liquitex Archival varnish. So it's a very good varnish. Now I'm going to put a little bit in one area, just in that 1/3 of the left side. And I'm going to be using small circular patterns. I'll go over the same area one more time. You don't want to do it too many times over the same area because it will start getting sticky as it dries. And so just continue the next area. Just continue doing this throughout the whole painting. After this all dries, I will be putting on 2 layers. So I'll do a second layer.